Hi everyone, it's Fernanda, and today I will be showing you how easy it is to clean your FT-5 Sunless applicator. So right now we're going to start off with a general cleaning procedure. First, empty the solution from your cup. Then you're going to clean the inside of the cup with a damp cloth. Now fill the cup with water and reattach to your applicator. Connect your applicator to your turbine and spray all your solution or water in this bucket. Make sure to keep spraying until it all comes out clear. Now we will go over the process of how to deep clean your applicator. We recommend for you to do a deep clean at least once a week. Let's get started. So first, you want to disconnect your hose. Now remove the fluid control knob, the needle spring, and the needle, and add it to your bucket of water. At the front, remove the air cap. Get your wrench and remove the fluid nozzle. Now remove the air diffuser. Remove your air divider. Now, these three items have been soaking in water for 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and clean them out with our cleaning brush. While it's okay to soak these parts in water, it's never okay to soak your entire applicator. Make sure to inspect the fluid passages and clean with your brush to ensure that there's no solution stuck. Now we're going to reassemble the applicator. We're going to start off with our air divider. Now we're going to install the air diffuser and air diffuser steel. Make sure that the flat lip in the air diffuser matches the flat lip on the applicator. Go ahead and place the fluid nozzle in the applicator. Now we're going to grab our wrench and tighten our fluid nozzle. We're going to rest the air cap and add the collar. Flip the gun over and add the needle, then the spring, and the fluid control knob. Now put your cup back, and now you're ready to spray.